What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Kitsune token update. My name is Jackson Hunter. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not make investments based on what I say in these videos. All right, so we're going to be talking about Kitsune token. We'll do a technical analysis and then we'll look at the road ahead. Kitsune is part of the NKDS conglomerate. I like to call it Ninja, Kitsune, Dojo, Sumo. I think all of them are going to perform incredibly well in the bull run. You have the halving of Bitcoin 8 days away, so the bull run hasn't even legitimately started yet. And we'll talk about that from a macro view as well. But this is Kitsune. Each one, Ninja, Kitsune, Dojo, and Sumo, they all have utility. This utility, they're like Pokemon. This utility has raid to earn capability. So when you're raiding on Twitter for your crypto, whatever it is, and by the way, you can use this technology for other coins as well. So if you are a developer of a coin, you can use Kitsune's technology. So basically, on top of the positive impact it's going to have on your coin for rating people on Twitter, you're also going to get benefits in tokens. So for rating, you're going to get paid out. All right, and they've already paid people out. So let's get into the chart. You have support to the downside at $1 million market cap. And you already see on the daily where each candlestick represents 24 hours of price action. You see it wicked down right here already. If I zoom in, look at that wick. Touched 1 million. The floor is lava. It bounced off of it after a sell-off from all-time high at 11 million. And then what this is right here is falling wedge. There it is. All right, that's all this is. Oh, you know what? Never mind. It might not be a falling wedge. I take that back. This is a descending triangle. Cool. I'm glad I caught that. Cool. There we go. So it's because you have the lows are equal to each other, right? It's a flat line at the bottom. It's a support level. The support level is parallel to the resistance level above it, which is 3 million. All right. Above that, it's going to be bullish. You have support at 1 million. And then you have the highs are becoming lower as you go. All right. So lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So that is price narrowing up, getting ready for a move. So you're going to watch a breakout to the upside, likely. I can't predict the future, but I think with the team behind this, with the community, you got to take into account not just what the candles are doing, but if you know that the community is rating hard, they have die-hard holders, diamond handers. If the team is working their ass off, the social sentiment online is incredibly positive. They're holding spaces regularly. You got to add all that up for confluence in your trading thesis. And so when I see a pattern like this, I see it's holding the support at 1 million really nicely. I'm predicting a bounce off of 1 million and retesting 3 million at the very least. All right. So also I want to show you guys this. I'm glad I didn't forget. On the 4 hour, this thing is oversold, man. Went to 28, bounced off of that. So what that means is it is undervalued. All right. This is a relative strength index indicator. Now, when it's below 30, it is oversold or undervalued. I'll say that a little bit simpler. When the RSI is below 30, it is oversold. When the RSI is above 70, it's overbought. When it's oversold, you're watching for a bounce from the low to the upside. When it's overbought, you're watching for a rejection after an uptrend. All right, so rejection to the downside if it's overbought. In this case, on a pretty high time frame, 4 hour, it is oversold. So I'm looking for and expecting a bounce from $1 million market cap. I want to show you guys this. This is the daily chart for Bitcoin. You have a decent pullback, like a 9% pullback in the past 2 days, roughly. I'm thinking this is going to pull back a little bit more because this is a rising wedge. Might pull back into the halving, do a consolidation, and then start the bull run from there. So that's what I'm looking at. I think this sell-off on Bitcoin, I think it does play a role with this recent sell-off as well. But I am confident that the $1 million market cap is going to hold on Kitsune. Now, this is their Twitter, so you can follow them at the link in my description below. It's at Kitsune Token Soul. They have a space coming up on 420 at 1 p.m. PST. That's 8 p.m. UTC. Really dope, man. We're still improving our raid to earn bot tirelessly and working the imperfections to ensure a smooth and profitable experience for our kit fam. Our top raiders will be rewarded accordingly, and this will be displayed eventually via weekly leaderboard. So, for performing, you not only help the chances of your token succeeding, whatever that token is, you're also going to be benefited monetarily in the form of tokens. And then also, you might make it on the weekly leaderboard. So I love you guys so much. See you for the next update. Peace.